Okay, we're moving on to the centre forward position on this year's All-Star team. Ganzi Verheiniag is going to County Meath, Emma Duggan. Well done, Emma. Emma Duggan earns her second successive TG4 All-Star Award this evening on the back of another outstanding campaign for County Meath. This is a player who delivers under the most intense pressure, and the Dunboyne Star registered 1 goal and 12 points for County Meath in the championship for 2022. Centre forward on the TG4 All-Star team for 2022, O'Hunda and the me, Emma Duggan.
Pheil na mBan TG4